neighborhoods, you'll see why we shouldn't touch it. You know, millions of people are getting rich off of flooding our neighborhoods with dope. Our children are dying. We're suffering. Our parents, our grandparents. So it's not serving us. So I don't care who might be getting rich and who might be having a good time and all of that. It's not serving us. And don't lie to yourself and tell yourself it is. So one of the reasons I want to say, though, I was so excited about this program tonight is because while I've been in recovery now for 22 years. My daughter has she grew up in my recovery process. You know, like she said, she saw me, you know, go get help. She saw me get clean. She saw me go back to church. I grew up in church, raised them in church. So when I got lost and totally confused, I had some place to go back to. I had some place to return to. Our children are now growing up in communities where we're not taking them to church. That's not going to serve us. Our children are God's people. Hear that, please. Our children are God's people. Our children need to be educated on God's plan for them and God's will for them so that they don't perish. So, you know, make sure you please take your children with you to church. If you get in a church that you don't like and it doesn't serve you, there's plenty. But do not let an African American child grow up without knowing that there is a God who cares for you, and it matters whether you make it or not. And that's the big piece that drugs took from our community. And that's why our community is suffering so heavy right now. And Mr. Obama ain't gonna do it by himself, honeys. We have to pull up our sleeves. These are our children. His daughters go to school, nice, pretty school. Our children are in school where they got metal detectors and they canceling classes and don't have enough books. We have to do something about that. It was our ancestors that decided they were not going to be in plantations picking cotton. They said, Mr. Lincoln did not say, oh, this is really bad, we shouldn't be doing this. Our ancestors said, check this out, y'all, the gig is up. It ain't happening. We are not going along gracefully anymore. And so that's what we have to do today. We have to stop purchasing all the dope that's being flooded in our communities. What Gayla, one of the things that she said that I really wanted to talk about tonight was when she was in maybe the 8th grade, she had already been to more funerals of her friends than I had been to in my whole life.